Congratulations once again, and I have your group picture for documentation. Pwede na closer. Yeah. Smell. Congratulations once again. And please prepare closer with CCTV graduates. And at this juncture, we'd like to request the instructor to please join with us, Mr. Melchor Michael de los Reyes. Sir Michael Melchor Michael de los Reyes, are you in or out? Okay, let's request the presence of Sir Osen. On behalf of Mr. Melchor Michael de los Reyes. The 2013 Closed Circuit TV and CCTV. These are the following graduates. Francisco Walter D. Inanoria. Congratulations to Fredrigo S. Taberto Jr. Likewise, a certificate is given to Julie B. Sitnetches. Another certificate of completion is also given to Marvin A. Blanco. Congratulations to Noper C. Iliagao. Congratulations, the certificate of completion is for you, Noel S. Garcia. Congratulations, Narcissus Y. Flores. The certificate of completion is given to Porfirio O. Vasquez Jr. Thank you and congratulations to Rodney B. Sabinera. Congratulations, Ronald N. Cecilia. Another certificate of completion is given to Rogelio P. Anteja. Congratulations, Manolo P. Gonzalez. Likewise to Mark Anthony L. Aumero. Congratulations. Certificate of completion is given to our newest mom, Revita R. Olita. Where are you? Revita R. Olita. Yes. Coming there. And we have also Mark Anthony L. Padilla. Congratulations, Edgar M. Obando. Mr. Edgar M. Obando. The last but not the least for Closed Circuit TV, CCTV. Let's welcome Porfirio O. Vasquez Jr. Congratulations.
Congratulations, CCTV experts. The following are graduates of Computer Fundamentals. I request Sir Romuald P. Miranda